Whoever is on Discord chat, thanks for joining. Let's start. I'm going to talk about maybe 5-10 minutes, then I'll just go back. So first of all, if you look at the market, the CPI data came really good. It came less than expected in November, right? Up 7.1% from a year ago. So the good thing is it's less than expected. The move was less than expected, and we were all waiting for that. And you can see that how high this is moving. So if you look at SPY, if I go to a 1 minute chart, this thing is just flying. Even though the CPI data came today, but the Fed meeting is tomorrow, the ultimate thing will be tomorrow. Hopefully we will get good numbers. So anyway, let's talk. If you are new here, hit the like button, and also if you want to join my community, you are always welcome to join my community. So the CPI, so this is first of all SPY. You can see that a big push to 414 came back to 406 and now trying to go over this 410 area. If I look at 1 hour chart, and if I zoom out, you can see that last time the top 414, that was the top here. Maybe I'll just bring a line here. Just want to show why it got rejected at 414. Sorry for the mess, so many lines because so this is the black line, right? 414, it was the previous resistance, it got rejected again. But if we can go over 414, I think there is some room all the way to 420 and 425. We will see, but so far it is looking really nice. So let's talk about some plays. So normally what I do, I will do the same thing, then I will go back and see some other things. So let's have a look. First of all, the top gainers this morning. First of all, Mulan. I think they will have a reverse split meeting soon. They had a news recently. So let's talk about Mulan. MULN. MULN. And by the way, if you are my private community members, if you are joining from the Discord, then yeah, you will get your trade ideas. You know, like I just post the chart with their entry and exit. In this live, I'm just going to talk about just the entry, exit, those kind of thing. Okay. And if you're a part of my private community, you can just type here so I know who is here. It helps. It really helps. Okay. So MULN, Mulan, big push in the morning. So let's have a look on 1 hour chart. So recently I shared the Mulan chart. I was talking about 0.18 as a potential bottom. So what you can do, you can wait for this for 0.18, but if this thing starts moving, eyeing on few levels, definitely 0.22, which was the rejection point. Then after 0.22, we should be looking at something right all the way towards 26 area. Okay, not very exciting. It came down, so maybe you can wait. So maybe I'll just skip Mulan for now. I'm going to talk about AMC because this is a stock I really love. You can see that recently AMC broke the support at $6, and after the CPI data, AMC is moving. So AMC definitely should be on your watch list. If you see there is a dip, it can come to 6, but if it is not coming to $6, look for this potential 6.25 area, or if it is never coming, follow the trend line. You see the purple line here, this is the 9 EMA line. It is just holding the levels, and this is AMC. If I look at the chart, it can move all the way towards 6.7 and then $7. I think $7 it will have some kind of resistance. Also I can talk about GME. They all move at the same time. GME, so far 22 is the support. You see so many times it held 22. Again, it was close to 22 and now pushing. If the market is good, if the market is moving, I think GME can move all the way to 24.75. You see the chart, previous rejection 24.7, so it can go there. Now let's talk about the big movers. Okay, NCPL is up since last night, so let's have a look on NCPL. How many people I have? I have 7 people here now. 4 people is fluctuating, that's fine. So NCPL, since last evening this is moving, nice volume coming back. So one important thing is the resistance right around these areas. 2.85, it was a support, now we broke over. So as long we hold 2.85, this is good because it can move towards 3.7. so if I go to a 3-minute chart, what I can see that this is moving sideways. This is one thing, and also the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA, they are about to cross. So I will wait. Can it hold 2.85? If it can hold 2.85, maybe it will come down. Note that it moved almost 100% from 1.5 all the way to $3. So keep an eye, because it might come back. Yesterday APVO moved a lot, then after the market opened, came down. You can see even the CPI number came. This thing is moving sideways. Okay, then let's talk about few others. Then JGXN. So let's talk about JGXN. Nice pre-market push, now coming down. Maybe it is slowing down. We have to keep an eye, but for now, keep an eye if it can hold this 20 cent area, and the pre-market top is 28 cent. So potential trade, if it comes here and bounce, then that can be your potential trade. So you enter at 0.2, maybe it's 3% loss, your stop loss, and your profit target is 0.28, 41% profit target compared to 3% stop loss. This is how we can play this. Okay, then OPGN. So these stocks I know very well, so sometimes it really helps. Okay, so OPGN, where is my chart? This is my chart. Okay, OPGN, is there any news? I don't know, I have to check, but let's have a look. Double top. For now, I will skip this. OPGN seems like 0.27 is the top, and it is rejecting. Even though the CPI data came, it is just cooling down. So I'll keep an eye on this one for potential bounce right around 19 cent area. Okay, if it can bounce over this 19 cent, maybe you can think about a trade here. See here, it's curling down, so maybe keep an eye for this to come around 0.19. Okay, MLGO. Okay, MLGO. So MLGO, wow, nice find, nice find. So MLGO, this is crazy. Only few days of data. This is crazy. This type of stock can always run like crazy. Okay, let's go back to our chart. So what else we have? We have FFIE and MGTA. Both I want to check. So FFIE, so it was a good mover, and this coming Thursday, which is the day after tomorrow, they will have a company update. So I think it might run. So you can see that from 29 cent it went to 60, came down, and again went to 60 this morning. So how we can play this? First of all, this is the area 0.52, previous yesterday high became the pre-market support, which is good. So that can be that can be your potential entry. If 0.52 is broken, 0.46 is your next entry. Now how far it can move, let's have a look. So I'm eyeing towards 60 cent, and after 60 I'm eyeing towards 71 cent. Okay, so your trade ideas, if you're planning, that can be your easy plan. Let's make the thing from here. You come here, maybe 2-3% loss, and that's your target. So 2 versus 15, nice target. So this is FFIE. Okay, then the next one, MGTA. Big push coming down, we have to keep an eye. So MGTA, it is bouncing over this 1.4 area. So a quick trade, just not looking at anything else, just you can just look at the pre-market high and the risk potential around here, 3%, 3 versus 35. Okay, that's a nice potential. So I'm just posting no meeting. Yes, what does it mean? I don't know. Can you hear me? In the chat, maybe you can write if you want. So anyway, for the Discord member, I will give the trade ideas with their entry and exit. Just going through the stock, so I thought maybe I'll just share the charts here. Okay, so we have MGTA, and what else? NCPL, we talked about it. AMST, so many things are moving around, right? I also want to go through my normal things that normally I check which one is moving big. So CVNA is up 8%, not bad. Pre-market it is up. If you look at CVNA, it was trying to hold the 4.9. So CVNA, I will keep an eye. Rent, we have been playing these for last few days, and rent, that was our profit target 3.3. It was reached. You can see that we have been playing since 1.7. So rent 3.3. In my Discord I was talking about this. So this is rent. Then definitely AMC should be on watch. Fubo. If you want, you can just let me know which stock you want. Otherwise I will just switch back, and I will just post the other ones. So anyway, you already got the flavor of some of the things, so maybe I'll just give a pause. You can just look at the tickers with their most active things, at the same time the big movers. We will try to find something for today. Okay, take care. And Nui, before I go, and I'm gonna talk about this one in UWE. Yeah, so this is the stock. I think for last few days is on the watch list. You can see that from 9 it came back, so it has some potential to move. Okay, anyway, I'm going to close now. Thanks again for joining. Take care. Bye.